I'm sure you've experienced this. You only realize what you truly want or what truly matters the moment you pause and rest. Taking a break doesn't mean quitting. It means giving yourself the chance to breathe, to think, and to reset. And sometimes, the best way to move forward is to take a step back. As a senior high school student, we sometimes get this feeling that we must constantly complete assignments, projects, tests, and so many things. But if we don't have breaks, we become tired, distracted, and even demotivated. Taking a break is not wasting time. It's giving ourselves the opportunity to recharge in order for us to come back stronger and more able. When we stop, we became clear, look back at what we did, and even find new things we couldn't understand when we were hurrying. I also used to think that I must always finish tasks and frequently without taking a break, and it just left me exhausted. But when I started to take a break, not only my mind became better, but also my grades, since I became more focused and submit better output. Pausing doesn't mean falling behind. Pausing means preparing ourselves in order to go further. That's why we should not avoid pauses, but we welcome them as an essential part of our development. So the next time you feel overwhelmed, remember this. Resting is not a sign of weakness. It's a sign of wisdom. Taking a break, the beauty of taking a break is that it allows us to come back with more strength and more focus and courage. Don't just keep moving. Learn to pause because in that pause, you'll often discover the power to continue.